गोय पंचायत महिला शक्ती अभियान आणि पंजाबची बिगर सरकारी संस्था वाद्यांदी सत्काराच्या जोडपालवान फुकट डोळे तपासणी शिबिराचे येवजण केल्या. ह्या शिबिरांत 200 जाणांक फुकट चष्मा दितले. तसेच फुकट वखदां दितले अशें पंचायत महिला शक्ती अभियानाची अध्यक्ष नेली रॉड्रिगीजान सांगले.
On Sunday, seeing our work of Mahila Shakti Abhiyan, one NGO from Punjab has approached us and they are going to fund our eye camps. This NGO is going to bring the Deputy CM of Jammu and Kashmir to inaugurate this camp. And they have invited, since Digambar Kamath is their very close friend, him to inaugurate this eye camp, which will be held in Majorda. They are going to give 200 people free spectacles, and more than that also they will give us free spectacles, free medicines. Homeopathic camp will be there where free medicines will be given. So I appeal to the villagers of the neighboring vicinity like Nuve, Betalbati, Serauli, Kolva to kindly take the best of benefit of this camp. Coimbatore, आमी already through Matushiri Trust camps घडून हाडला. आख्खे एम सगळ्यांनी केल camps आणि ऑड जाण आमदारान लेगून स्पॉन्सर केलाय eyes because the spectacles were 3,000. Villages will get it for 160 rupees and these doctors are coming from Bombay. So now, since this NGO from Punjab also wants to do, seeing our work, they approached us. And Bombay doctors came, they gave the spectacles on the spot for 160. Now this NGO from Punjab is giving the spectacles free.